Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I am going to be doing a nail video for you while I bring you this week's message, which is all about kindness. Kindness in our thoughts, kindness in our words, and kindness in just life in general. And I found these really great nails. Well, I haven't tried them yet, but they are really pretty. These are the Olive and June nails, and you can use them to mix and match. These are really pretty. I will show you them up close, but they are blue, like a navy blue with flowers embellished on them, and I am going to use navy blue for the majority of my nails, and these nails are long. The Olive and June are listed as short on the length, and I will again show you these up close. But I'm going to use these Nail Bliss nails that I got from Tiffany's nail haul. And yeah, so I'm going to see how they come out, and I'm just going to take you along. I'm going to be trimming these nails down, and as I get these nails on and show you what they look like, I'll be sharing with you this week's message. So I hope that you will continue to watch. I hope that you will stay tuned and come along with me to the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, so first let me tell you about these Olive and June nails. I did get them at Walmart. I was surprised to find them there because I thought they were only online, but they are the Instant Mani press-on nails, and they are very good nails. I think that they are excellent quality. They give you a ton of nails in a package to choose from. They do come with a little prep wipe. They come with glue, but as you know, I use the original super glue that I get from the dollar store. So I'm really pleased with the quality of these nails. So I'm just going to do accent nails on my ring fingers, and then I am going to do the Nail Bliss gel nails that I'm going to trim down. So I'm just going to take you along as I put these nails on and trim them. But when we talk about kindness, we all want kindness. When someone is kind to us with an unexpected smile or a warm hello, we feel good. Our feel-good emotions stir our well-being gene, and we remember people are friendly and loving. It is this kindness we need to pay forward, not just when it comes naturally in our service-oriented jobs or when we let someone go in front of us in line, not just when we put our extra change in the collection can of the group standing outside the grocery store, but in private when we are remembering the coworker who doesn't seem to have as much work as we do, or the sister-in-law who seems to always take control of situations, appearing oblivious to the desires of anyone else in the family. The next time you are talking with a friend or even just an acquaintance, be aware of when the conversation goes in a direction away from kindness. It's so easy to talk about the neighbors who are loud and obnoxious, to get in line with each other's criticisms, to confirm that you feel the same way. This can occur between two people or in groups of people. Have you ever read a social media post where the comments are so hurtful to someone else you feel disgusted? That is what unkind thoughts create. Let's remember our thoughts about others reflect how we feel about ourselves. It may not be obvious in the moment, but it does have an effect on you. Kind thoughts create good fruit in life. Unkind thoughts create rotten fruit. It's not easy, and if you start to pay attention, you will realize just how often it happens. In those moments, check your unkind thoughts at the door and start a new habit. Every time you have an unkind thought, replace it with 2 kind thoughts about the situation. If your sister-in-law is controlling, you might think that she doesn't care about the feelings of others. When you have this thought, turn it around. Think to yourself, She's so giving of her time for others. She's always the first to volunteer to do the cooking, so we don't have to. You'll feel better, and at some level of the mind, she will too. So thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this message. If you want to learn more, then check out my latest blog post linked in the description section entitled Kindness is King. So take care, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.